The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Press up on the tab and pull the glove box down to release it. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1286 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box so that the top tab slides in front. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.